Wilson Campbell. Remember, Wilson Campbell landed in Ahmedabad last night, and now the Prime Minister held a meeting with the Air India CEO, Campbell Wilson. And this is the breaking news we have right now. Remember, the Prime Minister has been monitoring the situation since yesterday. Today, he was at the crash site. He also met those who are injured. He also met the lone survivor today at the hospital in Ahmedabad. And now he's holding a meeting with the Air India CEO, Campbell Wilson. He's meeting the Prime Minister in Ahmedabad. Prime Minister Modi also held a high-level meeting today, earlier, and then took stock of the situation. He was briefed by the officials about the rescue operation. And of course, the biggest question right now is what led to this tragic, the worst ever air tragedy that India has witnessed. It's a matter of investigation, and the Prime Minister is now meeting the Air India CEO, Campbell, who we, Republic TV, had confronted last night at the airport. He remained non-committal. He did not have any answers when he was confronted by Republic TV's reporter Gopi. Right now, as we speak, the Air India CEO is meeting the Prime Minister right now. And remember, the Civil Aviation Minister and the PMO yesterday itself got in touch with Air India and sought report on what has happened. And of course, the inquiry is happening. Formal investigation began last night itself. Right now, the crash site has also been sealed. The forensic testing is also happening. Okay, my colleague Harsha is joining us live on the broadcast for more. Harsha, tell us more details about this meeting that is right now underway between the Air India CEO and Prime Minister Modi.
So, Rakshita, to tell our viewers and to everyone watching Republic right now that Campbell Wilson, the CEO of Air India, met PM Modi half an hour back. The meeting went on for 20 minutes. The meeting has concluded just 10 minutes back, and both have met, and PM have inquired about what Air India has so far done in the aftermath of the plane crash, what assistance have been provided to the family members of the victims, how Air India is dealing with customers right now, and everything has been apprised to Prime Minister Narendra Modi by Air India CEO Campbell Wilson. The much have been spoken between the two in the 20 minutes meeting, which was a closed door meeting. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Air India CEO, and other officials were present in that meeting. But yes, we know that the meeting went on for 20 minutes because Prime Minister Narendra Modi, since the time he has arrived in Ahmedabad, he went to the hospital, met the family members, also met the people who are critical, and also the lone survivor admitted in the hospital. He have inquired about everything. Prime Minister himself spoke to the hospital staff and the doctors as well who are treating. And right now, what we've gotten to know that it's very important to know exactly what is Air India also doing in this entire matter. How is Air India ensuring that each and every family members of the victim are assisted properly, they get proper compensation, and more than compensation, right now it's the very emotional time for the family members. How Air India is dealing with it. That entire thing, Air India CEO Campbell Wilson has apprised Prime Minister Modi of. The meeting went on for 20 minutes. More details will come out shortly. But yes, we are learning that Prime Minister inquired about each and everything from the time of the crash to till the time Campbell Wilson has reached Ahmedabad, and what they are doing still to assist the family members and help the family members of the victim. Back to you.
Right. Thank you so much, Harsha, for joining us. Harsha getting us every detail from the National Capital. Viewers, with that, we submit a very, very short break, but we will continue to get you the latest coming in as far